Hello everyone, my name is Rosalyn Bermejo and now I'm presenting the housekeeping tools and equipment. We have a manual tools and supplies. First, mops and broom. Used for cleaning floor with a different type like string mop for observation and dust mop for dry cleaning. Brushes. A variety of brushes including soft bristle brushes for delicate surface and hard bright brushes for scrubbing. Clothes and sponge. Soft clothes for dusting and polishing, while sponge are used for scrubbing and cleaning soft surface. Dustpans for collecting dust and debris swept from the floor. Bucket and containers used for holding water, cleaning solution, and collecting waste. Spray bottle for dispensing cleaning solution. Cleaning chemical, a range of product including glass cleaner, disinfectant, and wood polishes. Next one, we have four types of mechanical equipment. First, vacuum cleaner for cleaning carpet and removing dust and dirt from surface by suction. Number 2, floor polisher scrubbing machine that can scrub floor and apply a polishing finish. Number 3, carpet shampoo extraction machine used for deep cleaning carpet. Number 4, steam cleaner for removing dirt, mildew, and sanitation surface. We have three types for transport and storage equipment. First, housekeeping trolley. Mobile unit for organized store and transport for tools, linens, and supplies. Second, laundry trolley, specifically for removing large quantities of laundry. Number 3, caddy box, smaller box for carrying chemical and clothes. And then the last one, we have four types of safety and specific equipment. First, cushion sign, essential for making wet floor and warming guests and staff on ongoing cleaning. Step ladder for reaching high areas for dusting and cleaning. Third, garbage bag used with dustbin to collect all dispose of waste. Number 4, toilet bowl brushes, specially designed for cleaning toilet.